We now welcome the Fight Game's Michelle Beadle. As you remember, the Mayweather-Pacquiao spectacle was to be her first prize fight. So anything memorable happen?
Yeah, that was something.
Well, what happened?
It was just a crazy weekend. Look, as of Friday afternoon, I was all set to come in on Saturday and do a sort of behind the scenes and what was going on. But Friday night, I sat down to dinner, and at that point, it was told that I, along with about 3 other people, our credentials were up in the air, whether or not we were going to be approved. And at that point, I just said, you know what, it's a little bit much. It's already going to become a public piece of information that people are going to know about, and I'm just going to go home. I went home. And as you know, everything since then has been just sort of a bizarre, eye-opening experience on how things work.
Well, we're aware that there are some other names on that list, including some very prominent boxing writers. What do you think is the general public takeaway now from the whole Mayweather-Pacquiao enterprise?
I would, you know, from everyone I've heard, from how I felt about the entire thing, it's a lot of hype and a lot of money about very little. And the amount of money that some people spent, and I heard that some of the rooms were coming down, tickets were coming down, you could get a ticket, which, you know, a week ago we didn't think you could even get one. Just a lot of hype, almost too much hype for anyone to even live up to. And even if the fight had been better, according to people who wanted it to be better, I still don't know that it would have been worth the kind of hype that it was.
Thank you very much, Michelle.